Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Deep inside Earth's hidden jungles, the secrets behind modern medicine begin their journey. For thousands of years, humans searched nature.
Even deadly snake venom can become life-saving medicine inside advanced pharmaceutical laboratories.
Scientists travel across dangerous environments searching for microscopic organisms that can fight deadly diseases.
Some of the world's most powerful medicines are discovered deep beneath the ocean's surface.
Modern factories now grow rare medicinal ingredients using advanced biotechnology and artificial intelligence.
Hidden toxins inside tiny rainforest creatures are helping scientists create breakthrough treatments. Every ingredient is tested, analyzed, and transformed into safe pharmaceutical compounds. From nature's wildest environments to futuristic laboratories, medicine creation is one of humanity's greatest scientific journeys.
This state-of-the-art facility represents a monumental leap forward in pharmaceutical innovation, ensuring we can produce.
Before production starts, every ingredient must pass strict laboratory safety testing. Even microscopic measurement errors can affect millions of tablets. Massive blending machines combine active ingredients into balanced medical formulas. Every particle must mix evenly to ensure identical medicine strength.
Factories transform loose powder into durable pharmaceutical granules.
Controlled drying systems remove moisture to protect medicine stability.
These tiny granules will soon become the tablets used by millions of patients.
Make sure it's sealed properly before handing it over.
Advanced drying technology prepares medicine for high-speed tablet manufacturing. Particle size consistency is critical for safe medicine production.
Factories carefully control powder quality before compression begins.
High-speed presses create thousands of tablets every minute. Every tablet is shaped with incredible industrial precision. Advanced sensors monitor tablet quality in real time.
Even tiny imperfections are instantly rejected during production.
Modern factories can produce medicine for entire countries every day.
This is where pharmaceutical science transforms into life-saving medicine.
Every capsule must meet strict medical safety standards. Advanced robotics ensure every capsule contains exact medicine doses. High-speed systems seal capsules instantly to protect medicine purity. Computerized systems monitor millions of capsules every hour. Polishing systems prepare capsules for inspection and packaging.
Artificial intelligence now detects invisible pharmaceutical defects.
These advanced factories combine robotics, chemistry, and human expertise.
Protective coatings improve medicine stability and swallowing comfort.
Factories carefully control every tablet's appearance and quality.
Some medicines require special coatings to survive stomach acid. Coatings also protect medicine from moisture and environmental damage. Advanced scanning technology protects patient safety worldwide.
Factories simulate real human conditions before approving medicines.
After inspection, medicines move toward automated packaging lines.
Behind every tablet is an enormous world of hidden pharmaceutical engineering.
Automated blister systems protect medicines from air and contamination.
Factories package medicines with extraordinary speed and accuracy.
Advanced logistics systems prepare medicines for global distribution. Careful climate control protects medicine effectiveness during storage. These facilities operate like highly organized medical cities. Life-saving medicines now begin their journey across the world.
Pharmaceutical supply chains operate 24 hours a day.
Ensuring global health relies on this constant motion.
From factory floors to hospitals, every shipment can save countless lives.
Factories supply hospitals with millions of essential treatments every year.
Every finished tablet represents years of scientific research and manufacturing.
Take one of these twice a day with food.
Thank you.
Modern medicine factories directly impact human survival worldwide.
This is half the tablet. Take it with the water.
Innovation never stops inside the pharmaceutical industry.
Some factories create highly advanced medicines for deadly diseases. Scientists carefully design how medicines behave inside the body.
We take great care to ensure every tablet meets the highest standards of quality, especially for our youngest patients.
Modern biotechnology is transforming the future of medicine.
Artificial intelligence now controls many advanced manufacturing processes.
Medicine factories are becoming some of the world's smartest industrial systems.
Future medicines begin as tiny molecular discoveries. Some medicines require the strictest safety systems on Earth. Modern factories produce unimaginable quantities of medicine daily. Constant maintenance keeps production running without interruption.
Every machine inside the factory is monitored continuously.
Attention all staff. We have a critical dip in production on line 4. Technician to my location immediately.
Final laboratory testing ensures every medicine meets global standards.
Millions of hidden processes work together to create safe pharmaceutical products.
This giant industrial world operates silently behind every medicine bottle.
Medicines travel across oceans to reach people around the world. Factories help deliver healthcare even to distant communities.
During crises, pharmaceutical factories become critical lifelines.
Behind every recovery story is a massive manufacturing journey.
Thank you.
The discovery of future medicines never truly ends. The next generation of factories may transform healthcare forever.
Analysis complete. 100% purity.
These factories work day and night to protect global health.
Human expertise remains the heart of pharmaceutical manufacturing.
So hello guys, welcome back to World of Civilization. This is another short note about this documentary, how medicine factories create perfect tablets and capsules. From deadly snake venom to deep ocean sponges. Discover how nature's hidden secrets become the life-saving medicine into your local pharmacy. This documentary follows the entire journey, raw material discovery, pharmacy testing, high-speed tablet compression, capsule filling, AI quality control, automatic packaging, and global distribution. Witness the incredible engineering behind every pill and capsule that saves millions of lives daily. Like this video if you amazed by pharmaceutical engineering. Subscribe to the World of Civilization and hit the bell icon so you never miss our update. Until that time, until next video. See you in the next video. Yalla, bye bye.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.